Hello, I'm attorney Thomas Burton, and today's question is the following. Does a will avoid probate in Wisconsin? Now, this is a very good question, and one I see comes up often, and there can be confusion about these terms probate and a will. So, making a will allows you to make your own plan for your estate. What it means is you get to decide who your heirs are and who your personal representative is going to be. In Wisconsin, we call the person who administers your estate after your death the personal representative. You'll also hear them called executor in some of the estate planning literature in other states. So basically, if you create a will, you get to choose the person to oversee the estate and a backup to that person I usually recommend, and then you get to choose your own heirs. If you don't create a will, you're going to fall under what we call the Wisconsin laws of intestacy. So sometimes you hear someone say that someone died intestate. What that means is they died without creating a will. So if you don't create a will, you fall under the default rules the Wisconsin legislature has written. And generally those rules distribute your money to your closest living relative. So for many people, they don't want their closest living relative to get the money, or there's a relative they don't really like or get along with, and that person could end up in the line of succession if you rely on the laws of intestacy. So a will allows you to opt out of that. Now, a will does not opt out of probate. By definition, a will must be filed with the probate court within 30 days of your death. So probate is the court-administered process that your will goes through after your death, where the court examines the will and distributes the property according to your wishes. So probate can often be a time-consuming and arduous process for many people who have gone through it. In Wisconsin, by statute, the shortest it can be is 6 months and the longest is 2 years. Now, 2 years is the longest, but if there's a fight over the estate, the judge can extend it, and probates have been known to go even longer. For example, celebrities and rich individuals with fights over the estate, those cases can go for years. So a will does not avoid probate in Wisconsin. By definition, if you create a will, your estate will go through probate. If you want to think about avoiding probate, I suggest you look at a living trust and other options. You can check out my other videos on those topics. In fact, I have one specifically on the 3 types of plans you can have for your estate, which I call no plan, will plan, and trust plan. Check out that video for an overview of those. And I'll put a link to this video if you want to check that out as well. So great question. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.